Okay, I'm doing another video today with the new camera settings, camera firmware from I think it was about a week ago. Supposedly fixes a few things. Just going to try out like the follow me mode. Just going to demonstrate that in this video. I didn't really do that a lot in the initial video, so yeah, some of you guys requested that, so just going to give you a demonstration of that while also showing the new camera settings. Okay, so there I am there. Just gonna keep it behind me. You're gonna have to manually adjust the gimbal and such to keep you in frame. It doesn't do active track, it just follows the GPS that's inside the RC controller. But it is following me. I do believe you can adjust the yaw and where the drone is. The drone's probably about 10 meters or so away from me. Let's see, what does it say on here? But yeah, it's about 10 meters high, 18 meters away. It's going sideways here. You can actually send it further back and up. Yeah, to yaw it a little bit. And it's still following me. And it says on the screen, follow me mode. Home point is the RC, so if you have a disconnection, it'll go to where the RC is, not where it took off. Yeah, definitely looking pretty good. So I'm gonna see what happens here if I yaw it around. It's probably, yeah, I'm stationary right now. I'm gonna yaw it around. Let's give you a little bit better video from the other direction, looking into the sun. Now on the screen it looks really dark. Let's see. Let's bring it closer now. I'm gonna kind of bring it behind me. I'm gonna bring it closer and down. Look if there's any obstacles or trees in the way. And actually I'm gonna bring it pretty much straight behind me now. Okay, let's see how that goes. So basically you have to kind of set up the shot like I just did, and then position the drone, and then you can it will, as long as it's in follow me mode and it's working, it will just track you. But you're gonna have to, it's kind of up to you to keep whatever your subject is in the frame of the video. Yeah, it's working pretty well. So with the sun behind the drone, this ought to be pretty good video. I think just when it goes into the sun, it looks pretty bad and pretty dark. So we're at, well, only 6 minutes of flight time. Let's send it further back and up. Pretty far away now, 70 meters away and 24 meters high. Probably can't hear it now. Alright, so I'm going to bring the drone around to the other side. And then have it follow me from the other direction. So the lighting is probably not going to be as good from this direction. Okay, still in the frame. Let's bring it a little closer too. And go back the other way. So I'm going to actually send it up higher while I'm walking. And I'm adjusting the gimbal down. Keep me in the frame, but now I'm a little bit higher up. Yeah, this follow me function works pretty good. Just wish it had an active track feature, so you didn't have to manually keep your subject in the frame. I believe like something like the DJI Spark does that. I think all the DJI drones do that in software. Well, maybe they'll be able to update this later. Who knows? But right now it doesn't have that. So I think about 10 minutes of flight time now. Go ahead and end the demo here. Give you guys another look at the area. Just yaw the drone around, then I'll go ahead and land it. Yeah, it's really hard to see the screen in these sunny conditions. So I'm going to see if it'll land in follow me mode. I'm not sure if it will or not. Let's give it a try. I tried selfie mode before. I still have some battery left before I land here. Okay, so just put it into selfie mode. And you can still adjust the gimbal. And it's sent it 120. That's still going away. 137, 140 meters away, 145, and it looks like it just stopped. It should come back. Okay, we're at 12 or 13 minutes of flight time, so probably need to land pretty soon. 10.9 volts. Yeah, it's coming back. Yeah, I'm getting a low battery warning, I think. Yep. Time to land.